Welcome to the webinar. You have entered as an organizer. When you are ready to begin the presentation, press the Start Broadcast button on the GoToWebinar control panel to allow all attendees to hear you. This system will notify you once you begin your broadcast. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Can you guys hear me? Okay, good. All right, so we have sound. All right, I have no idea. It did it to me yesterday 2 or 3 times, and not sure why. In any event, all right, good. Today is Wednesday, December 7th, Pearl Harbor Day. Good morning, Deepak. Welcome back. Nolan, good morning. James, good morning. Guys, if you are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. For most of you, it is your 3rd day in the room. For some of you, I think we have one that started today. If today is your first day, good morning and welcome. I will, for the benefit of trials and potentially or our newer members, go through the same ritual that I do every day, which is I will start out by showing you bot totals, read the disclaimer, look at charts, and then we'll fire up the breakout indicator. I have, good morning, Chris. Mark, good morning. Welcome back, Mark. I have gone ahead and done an ES settings on the breakout indicator, so we'll play with that a little bit. I can only watch so many charts, as you guys know, so what I've done is I've kept the NASDAQ chart and eliminated copper. I just don't have screen space. But in any event, let's start out with bots. ES has not taken a trade as of yet. No trades on the ES. Crude, because it's Wednesday, I do not run the crude bot on inventory day, so no trades on crude. Whoop. For those of you that are on trial, that is, or maybe newer, those guys are crude is a personal preference. There is no rule that says, and we have a YM trade on. There is no rule that says you cannot run crude on inventory day. I just prefer not to. Tomorrow being Thursday, I will not run natural gas. There are times, and today was one I ran the crude robot from 6 to 7, but it will not run the rest of the day. I may do the same with natural gas as well. But I generally don't run those instruments on their reporting day. Natural gas is up 980. And NASDAQ for me is at 0. I let it take 2 trades today and shut it off. A winner, a loser, and I'm looking at other charts, and we are in a chop. We are building a bear flag here on a small 2-minute time frame. But I have NASDAQ on currently. It's been largely a chop until we got, good morning, Patrick, until we got that strong burst down, and there was no news that accompanied it at 6:46 a.m. That's Eastern time, the old 6:46 move. I don't know what that was about. There was no news that accompanied it. Just a sell program kicked in for something. Maybe because Warnock won the election in Georgia. I have no idea. I'm being funny about that, but in any event, YM is in a trade here. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. We'll see if we can get second target. YM was down 245, I think. Well, I mean, Wayne, you knew it was coming. Did you really think Walker was going to win that election? Georgia and Arizona have largely gone blue. The asses from California have, ruined California and then left California and brought their goofy policies with them to Arizona. And, unfortunately for Georgians, the New Yorkers, unfortunately, a lot of the New York liberals have moved to Georgia. And it's also very difficult to compete with Fulton County, which is the biggest county in, Fulton County is almost its own damn state. They did not go to Florida yet. Give it 10 more years. All right, real quickly. YM bot is going, no, didn't get it. All right, U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. YM got second target is down $10 on the bot. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. As for my trial members, and those that may watch this video on YouTube at some point, I do want to stress, I do trade a live account. I do buy options. I do take my order flow trades in a live account. Okay? All right, I want to take first target ahead of this swing here at 75.04. Okay? Natural gas. We've got these tight swings at 33. Not much of a first target, but you can, put it right around 33, 32. That's where you want to take your first target. Okay, got a target one. Got a target one on crude. Auto trail will trail. Now here's the thing. This is a pretty big stop here, but that's the auto trail. I do not trade crude on inventory day. On the bot, I do not. But I'm trading the breakout indicator. There we go. Zippity doo dah, zippity day. Natural gas just broke down. This can go a long ways. NASDAQ got second target on the bot. $10. Caesar. 10. What I'm going to do is this, guys. There's a number of you guys. See, now this is setting up to be a decent trade on the NASDAQ because we've got this big move up, right? So once we get a reversal, we've moved up far enough. If we get a reversal, it should be a decent trade. What I will do, maybe Friday after I close the room, I'll do an education link, which will be in the member area for those that have the breakout indicator. And I'll do some education on the breakout indicator. Okay? If any of you would like the breakout indicator, yes, I will sell the close. Yes, on NASDAQ, sell the close. You just had the big up move. You don't want to, I mean, I don't want a continuation move up. No, I'll do it at like 11:30 or 11:15, as soon as I close the room. Yeah, you can attend. Yeah, I'm going to, yes, Patrick. I wouldn't take you away from Montana State's game. Not to worry. Listen, I didn't even go there and I'm pulling for him. If I could get my wife to move to Montana, I would be in Bozeman tomorrow. Literally. Yes, I'll record it. Absolutely. Got a 36 tick runner on crude here. The breakout indicator. Bozeman is California light. Well, maybe I wouldn't be in Bozeman then. How about Big Sky? Listen, all I care about are trout streams, man. All right, look, we're going to set this to sell the close now. Right? Right? Got a guy that lives there said it's not that bad. So what did the bots take in here? Two trades, up almost 1,000. That's for me, Chris. Redneck country. That's my kind of place. Okay, now it just triggered a short. Let's see here, 75.16. Maybe we'll get 75.05. I don't want this. Yeah, the Gallatin River is beautiful. Many years ago, there's a subdivision called the Gallatin River Ranch. All right, NASDAQ shorted. We have news out in 45 seconds. I don't know what we had. Nothing that should affect us. All right, look, guys, don't ask me for settings in the room. You guys know better. If you guys have a question, email me. I don't want this above this turning line here at 29. Okay? You see this moving average here, the red moving average? We haven't set a stop yet, so it's a generic. Yeah, now it did. But I don't want to stop from 16 to 42 out on natural gas. %0.8%. Looks like we're going higher, guys. Okay, closed it. I don't want it above that line. It's not going long up here. Sell the close. Same with ES is still pending. Sell the close. Same with natural gas will sell the close. And copper sell the close. They're all sell the close, guys. Morning, Magnus. NASDAQ looks like it's headed to 525. You probably have a NASDAQ long to 502, which is yesterday's low. That is correct, Nolan. This would not have gone to stop. Okay, there's NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. I like this long, not short. Morning, Sam. Crude would have still been in that 16 short. NASDAQ's going to pop long. My first target on crude, I set at 05. Looks like it's going to get it. NASDAQ to sell is going to have to come down below 81.50. Comes back to 77, right where that one first target is. So if we get a big enough pullback in crude, we want to buy the close. I don't have a big enough pullback to want to buy it here. It's trying to flip into a long. I like the longs, guys, on NASDAQ from an order flow standpoint. Okay, out on NASDAQ. Natural gas just shorted. Copper's getting a little steamy. This can go to 74. I don't think natural gas gets better higher than 74. God dang it. 31 long on ES, guys. I missed it from on order flow. ES was 31 long. You can get in here if you want. I'll try to buy 32. Target is 45. Okay, there it is. NASDAQ shorted again. NASDAQ missed target here by a couple of ticks. Scum. And it's right back to yesterday's low. ES came back up through yesterday's low. Copper is now short. This will keep you active. Trading 5 of these things. See what the dollar index is doing. NASDAQ in this low volatility is tearing me up. So that 10 bricks, as I told you guys yesterday, I've never really found anything on NASDAQ that worked consistent. I'll keep using the 10, but I may have to go to a bigger size. I have no bot trades, or I'd show them. There are no bot trades. Crude is off for the day. Natural gas needs to come below 43 to start the move down. 43. This little swing here. Doopty doing around here, guys? Nothing. Come to the education on Friday, Albert. I'm only going to have to do it there again, too. Yeah, ES should go long to 45. Oh, this is just torturously slow again. That's how we started yesterday, though. I mean, nothing is moving. Absolutely nothing. Yes, it will be recorded. Yep. I always record education, fellas. The other three are armed. They're just not no trades. ES, NASDAQ, and crude. No trades. Nothing on the bots. NASDAQ, which is giving me fits on these pullbacks. I mean, even natural gas isn't moving, which is unusual for gas. Well, it could pull back to 25. Natural gas is going to kill me. Yes, below 28. There's a bot trade. NASDAQ. Natural gas is, yes, they're going to go to a loss. Come on, NASDAQ, break the hell down. Yes. Those are Ludwig levels. I have Ludwig levels on all my charts, every single one. What orange horizontal line? I don't know what you're talking about. This moving average in the middle? That's a moving average, if that's what you're asking about. On HG. Yeah, that's Ludwig levels. Yeah. Nice job, Chris. 3 more funded Apex accounts. How many do you have now? 6. Nice job. Come on, NASDAQ. Good God, man. Do something. For the love of God. Something moves somewhere. Copper is at least bleeding out. Thank you, Chris. Appreciate that. It always does. I've said, so what Chris said was order flow class and my levels have changed his trading. And it took some time for him to break his bad habits. I will tell you this, it is generally easier for me to teach someone that has never traded before than someone that has, because people that have traded before have, accumulated bad habits and then inevitably go to, so what happens, natural gas, God dang it, natural gas rolled over hard. And what happens is, and I missed the trade. Here's what happens. I teach something, right? This is how, I teach, this is what you should do. And what basic human nature is, people will do it. And let's say it doesn't work, right? Remember, in trading, nothing works 100% of the time. I don't care what you do. Nothing works every time. So what happens is, levels are so much better than the fib. Fibs are a fucking joke. Pardon my French. They're a joke. Mass psychology, and you talk to anybody that trades Fibonacci's, and if something comes 58%, they'll argue and say, well, it was close enough to 61.8. Something goes 64%, they'll say, well, it went through the 61.8, but it's still a 61.8 fib. If you take fib levels and Gann levels and put them on a chart, you would have 15 levels on a chart. I mean, it's just, all right, guys, this is just too damn slow. And you can't argue. NASDAQ is not doing anything. You can't argue with guys that are Fibonacci guys because they will tell you it works every time. It does not work every time. Nothing does. But the point I'm trying to make is, with trading, if I teach something and it doesn't work, people will inevitably go back to something they think they know, which has never worked for them. So the only thing we've got left on is crude. Yeah, it's just a really sloppy morning again. NQ's killing me too. On the breakout, on the bot. NQ is being a pain in the keister. Anybody long ES, guys? Listen, I just want to show you one thing. What I want to show you is these are 4-hour charts. 45, Paul. Look at the ES on the 4, grossly oversold on the NASDAQ and the ES. I would not be surprised if we get a bounce today. We are crazy oversold. No rollover in crude. Nothing in, no reversals. If you guys want money in ES, take it. For those of you guys that trade SPY, if you trade SPY, if 390 breaks, it is going to get butchered. Order filled on what? Dollar index is coming down. Anybody long ES, fellas? Anybody long ES? Okay. If we get over 60, we could get a massive short squeeze quickly up to 39.90. 60 will be the key today. If you guys want money in ES, take it. Your prerogative. Small net sellers. NASDAQ has 1,400 net sellers. I mean, this could just be a retracement prior to the open because we've been down all night. And then another reversal. Come on, close over VWAP. Let's go. All right, guys, it's almost 9 o'clock. ES bot looks like it's going to take it's trying to take a long. Crude obviously will not. YM will not. Natural gas is in shorts already. But it's not a rule. Crude got 2 targets here. If you're trading crude, you'd be nicely up. That's the only trade on crude. And it is trying to get to target 1 here. It is in a long. All right, so let me put that there for now. Crude I have set for a reversal. I'm going to close this ES order flow trade, guys, for now. I have crude set for a reversal on the breakout indicator. ES set for a reversal as well, which is SL. Again, I just started playing with the ES, so most of you guys today, you guys do not have any settings. And natural gas, let's see if we can get this up move and then a reversal again. We have almost, because I'm not here, we have almost 900 owners of the bot. 900 people are not doing the same thing. Let's see what crude is doing here. I mean, it could sell maybe back to 40. So let's see if I can get a 45 target 1. Small net sellers, 37 net sellers in crude. NASDAQ. Crude out for a small loss. Market's open, guys. Okay, enough. We're going up, guys. Going up, going up, going up. Come on, ES, let's go. Get above VWAP. Going up. Going up. All right. ES bots on, NASDAQ bots on, YM's on, natural gas is on. They're on. ES closed over VWAP. Still didn't get first target on the bot. $45 is target 1 if you stayed in that order flow trade, or as you see fit. Small resistance here on a 5-minute at 39 quarter half. YM shorted on the bot. SPX, you can buy, I think you can buy SPX puts here. 39.20s, 39.25 SPX puts, 39.25 puts. Today is the 7th, 39.25. They're $12.20. Okay, one target only. NASDAQ's long on the bot. We're going, ES should target one filled. ES should get to, still no real volatility here. Out. ES got target one on the bot. Target one is hit on the ES spot. I'm thinking puts here, guys. Let me see what S&P did here. God dang it. I don't think we're pushing up past 45. NASDAQ is floating right at VWAP. Okay, first area of resistance coming on ES at 45. Crude is long, obviously. NASDAQ long again on the bot. Target one filled. Target two filled. I changed my ATM to 1x2. VWAP is 36. I told you, I think we're going to 45. There it is, 45 target hit. We're struggling at 45, first area of resistance. Anybody running ES? Anybody running ES? Anybody running ES? Next target is 60, 60 on ES. Your stop would be break even. I got one chart that's frozen, which is annoying the hell out of me. Crude is going up through its opening range high. God dang it, Ninja Man. I'll tell you, it's so annoying. $60 is next target. 60 to 64. If ES, we won't, 10 o'clock, we get a new 4-hour candle. If we can get above 70, we could trade 4,000 again. Oversold bounce. There's 55. 55, 56 on ES. If we, listen, those of you guys that were smart enough to hold ES, I'm not amongst you. If you were smart enough to hold ES, if we blow 60, this could start a massive move up. Got something somewhere. NASDAQ again, long on the bot. Boy, this could push to 610. NASDAQ long to 610. If we get a pullback to 550, I would love it, but I don't think so. Oh, one tick. One tick. All right, my chart's unfrozen. We're down to 200 net sellers. It's got to push above 89 and it goes again. 89. Give me a pullback. Guys, NASDAQ is longs. Target is 607 and 634. Long NASDAQ. It may waffle around in here, but it's longs. I got to adjust charts. We're back to break even. And my DOM is frozen. Beauteous Maximus. Freaking Ninja Man. Watching 23. Natural gas rolled over. Crude hanging in there. There's NASDAQ. Didn't get to 23, got to VWAP. I'm watching Delta, small buyers in here. I'm going to try a small long, guys. I'm on the close. 45 is now resistance. Was support. It's got to get through 45. Through 45 it goes. I'm out. I closed it. Small, insignificant loss. Now we're going to break down, it looks like. Nope, you fucker. Through 45, it'll break up again. Maybe 46. I still have no Dom. Or I don't have a Dom again. $700 net sellers. Canadian rate decision. NASDAQ shorted. Breaking below VWAP. You can't possibly be waiting on a Canadian rate decision. Anybody buy 39.25 SPX puts? They were 12 and change. They're down. They're at 960 if you like them. They're back up to 11 bucks. And coming on like a gangbuster. ES holding, volume point of control, should trade back to 39.25. Yesterday's low was 21. Got a bot trade somewhere. Don't know where. ES spot's trying to short. Well, copper is what shorted in my. All right, ES spot shorted. Here we are at 32. All right, we're in the money on the SPX puts, guys. We're in the money. Depending on where you bought them, you could have gotten a better fill than me. They're now in the money. SPX has support at 29. That has to break, and we could roll over and die below 25. Anybody buy SPX puts? Tell me what you bought them at, please. NASDAQ needs to break here below 70. We come 64 and then 42. Anybody buy SPX puts? Target one filled on the bot. Nobody bought them. Okay. I don't have to watch them for you guys. They're now 13.30. Okay, Randy. Nice job. Are they in the money? SPX puts are now up for me $1. Okay, out on the ES. You're welcome, Chris. Nice job. If SPY breaks below 92.50, you can buy 92. Nice job, Randy. You can buy 92. This is SPY's. I think that, in my opinion, I think that was the end of the up move here. NASDAQ short again on the bot. You're welcome, Chris. Yeah, same day. I do 0 DTEs with the SPX. SPY would be tomorrow, but we have to break below 392.50. You can buy 392 puts for tomorrow, SPY. Boom. All right, guys. I'm up $2 on SPX. $2 on SPX. Boom, chaka, laka, laka, boom. That's all I got to say about that. We need to break below 25, and it's going to get brutal. We'll trade 2150 is yesterday's low. We'll trade back into 2150 is what it looks like. And below that, we're going to trade down into that 910. Yeah, it looks bad. I agree with you. Agree with you. Here's your SPY puts. If you trade puts, German intelligence thwarted a terrorist attack today. Thwarted a terrorist attack today. All right, I've got buy the close on the NASDAQ, sell the close on, NASDAQ, buy the close on ES, buy the close on crude on the breakout. Natural gas looks like it wants to roll over and die. No bot trades to show, guys. Just to give you a total on bots right now. 980 up on natural gas bot, 980 up. YM up a whopping 2 nice cigars. ES up 337. Crude is off for the day, and NASDAQ is down 475. So overall green. We're holding on the precipice of rut-row, and it looks like rut-row's coming. All right, there's a short on NASDAQ bot on the breakout. It's trying. Come on, you scumbag. It's a short. That stop's going to be too small, but it's trying to come down. It's floating in a small in a 2-minute cloud. If it catches 60, it's God, this thing is just this NASDAQ setting, guys. I told you I've never really been able to find anything that works consistently on NASDAQ. That's why I've never really used it. Never really used it on the breakout. I'll go back to gold. And data series. Make it a 5. NASDAQ's not a long. We're not a long. We're shorts. We just haven't broken down yet. NASDAQ has 2,000 contracts negative delta. 2,000 contracts. It's not a long. It's on the precipice of blowing out. It could pop back up to 93. All right, YM went long on the bot. Not sure I'm digging this. Nope, wrong again. Got it. Got both targets, YM. NASDAQ, guys, is so close. It's just small sellers in here. 106, 103, 102. in the middle of a webinar. Seriously? Putin says they had no chance to settle the situation in the Ukraine. Yeah, you want to freaking surrender. Of course you didn't. NASDAQ, sorry guys. Still doesn't want to break down, but good Lord, it's close. Bank of Canada looking for a 50 basis point increase to 4.5. SPX breaks down below 39.25 and it's going to get hit hard. Nobody bought puts. $50 basis points. Yep, I am. It just went. Just broke. Target is 435. I told you it's a short, guys. Short, 435. Whee! Here we go. SPX puts $12.30. Now $16.30. Now $16.30. 25%. Anybody buy SPY puts? Anybody buy SPY? You're in the money, baby. You're in the money. If SPY breaks 390, this market caves. I said repeatedly, NASDAQ was a short. It just hasn't cratered yet. SPX comes below 18.5 and it's going to get tenderized. You're welcome, Earl. Anybody else take short? I told you it was coming down. I mean, I'm watching this on order flow. I'm watching it on the cloud. 10-minute cloud is broken. We could bounce back up to VWAP. We could. I don't know that we do. I don't see any damn buyers. Crude went. Hang on, guys. I can't move it. Here's the ES. I'm playing with a 4-tick first target on ES. 4 ticks on the breakout indicator. And here's crude. Nasty little bounce. We're still shorts, fellas. This is a place you can try a short right here, 83, maybe 88. I don't think it got 88, 83. Now we have a short on crude. Probably not a great time to be trading crude. Just ahead of inventory. Natural gas not doing anything for me. I'm looking for another short, guys. Let me get this on NASDAQ. ES is running on the breakout. Yes, it was, Nolan. It was. And crude finally got target. ES is long on the bot. Back to 45. Got target 1 ES spot. I'll be long over V. Candle close over VWAP. I'll be long. Candle close. Candle close. I'm long. I'm long. Candle close over VWAP. I got to be long. Hit right at resistance at 24 to boot. Come on. Come on, you dog. No buyers here. Small sellers. Buyers are trying. Out. Closed it. I'll take it again on a candle close above VWAP. It looks like it wants to go. Out on the ES. Still think we're going to pop. Candle close. I'm hitting it again. You can. Oh, that's because I hit it twice. Are you fucking kidding me? This 24 is being a pain in the ass. This is it right there. Come on, break 24. Target then is 570. 570. Buyers should come in, guys, right here at 25. We're just above yesterday's low. 540 is target 1. $540 target 1. $12.30. Out at 15.10. Out at 15.10. They went to 16 and change. No, Ricardo. Did you buy SPY? SPY? Oh. What did you pay for SPX? Look at this son of a gun. All right, NASDAQ is long on the bot. Come on, you dink. Let's go. Target one filled. They were 39.25. 39.25. 39.25. Not 38.25. Are you kidding me? Seriously, are you kidding me? This is why, fellas, right here. This is why. Hang on, guys. NASDAQ bot is killing me today. There are trading platforms to compete with Ninja. TradeStation, Thinkorswim, E-Trade. Passed your first Apex account last week. Got the certificate last night. You're welcome, Scott. Guys, this is just a dude. If I had $360 million coming in, I'd keep about 30 million. Ronaldo signed a deal for $216 million per year. I mean, I pray that all these people getting all that money are changing the world with it for the better. All right, let me get back to the task at hand. I got nothing on copper. We can try selling the close. Nothing in that. Nothing there. Crude is coming, so I don't want to trade that pig. We'll try to buy the close on the ES and see what happens. Well, ES is just trapped in a mess. This is just chopping. If I go out to a 60-minute, different perspective on a 60 dollars at the end of the day. That's ES. 4-tick target one. That's what I have this set for. 4 ticks. Filled. We're pushing 45 again. This swing here, 46.75. It doesn't want to give up the ghost. It's holding. Okay, long on gold. Yeah, this is not a fun day here for sure. Mostly chop. There we go, baby. 60 is your next target up. 60 if you want the ES long. 60. First target is 55. It's 50 half, 51. Target one is 55 and then 60. And if we break out above 60, this can go a long ways. God, I hate freaking news. Weekly energy data coming, guys. Whoop. This is frozen. I can't move the frickin' stop. Minus 5.2 million barrels going up. Nothing I can do here. Trailing stop. There we go. Come on. There. Bigger draw on crude, bigger bills in gasoline and distillate. Come on, 55 target. Let's go. That's target one for me. If you took the 50, there it is. 55 target hit and filled. Next target up is 60. Next target up is 60. Anybody take ES long? Anybody? Catch it at 50, 51. Okay, Kirk. Longed YM. Okay. Let's see here. We got 18 and probably should 20. Let's see. 95. Okay. All right, we got the breakout indicator down 1,000 now. It hit 2,080 in this slop. Crude, I'll set to buy the close, so any reversal it'll get now. Crude's below VWAP if you want to trade it on inventory day. Small net negative delta. Got a short on gold, and crude just went long. This could get to 27. This is my kill here. Gold's coming down nice. Come on, gold, couple more ticks. Come on, crude. All right, out crude. Out crude. Told you I don't like crude on inventory days. Indices are ugly, guys. Indices are just flat out ugly. 180, 200 sellers, not even in crude. Gold got that first target. So now we got a free gold trade. Coming back down on the NASDAQ. If you like chop, we got it. NASDAQ opening range low is 460. Opening range low is 460. There's your opening range low. Opening range high 595, so I'll forget about that for now. Gold still ripping. $300 runner. Guys, crude could be along here to 45. First target looks like maybe 16. I'm not taking any crude trades myself, but I'm just, if you guys trade it, you have 21 first target, 2021. If you guys are willing to trade crude on inventory day, I am not. 2021. I think we just got target. 19, 20, 21. Got it. 03 to 21. Stop is break even. Next target is 30. Anybody take crude? Waiting to see if natural gas will turn up. Okay, Mark. Okay, guys. All right. Stop is break even. Guys, give me 1 minute. Be right back. Come on, dog. Copper is long on the breakout. All right, got both targets on YM. Yeah, that's why I don't like it on inventory day. Crude does absolutely nothing on inventory days. And then later today, it'll make a move. It'll make some kind of move. If it gets up through 36, it would be a really interesting long. See how it moves after Europe closes? Okay. That's why I try to stay away from crude on inventory days, guys. It's just unfreaking predictable. Got a nice day on the bots on gas, YM, ES. NASDAQ's down $600. I just trying to get another damn NASDAQ trade, and this thing won't get a trade. Did I miss ES? No. Natural gas just keeps selling. I can't get a reversal in gas with 1,500 net buyers. What the holy hell? Let me see where natural gas can come. $54.90. $54.90. Below that, $54.64, but it should bounce. All right, guys. I'm looking to get long natural gas here. 54.60. Buying a down move. So just understand that you are buying a down move. 54.60. 65. You're buying a down move now. So it's the proverbial falling knife. I missed NASDAQ above VWAP at 17. What a freaking ugly day, man. Let me see where the hell we'd want to be long. Crude, if you guys are intent on trading crude. Yeah, CL is probably coming down to 72.65, another buck. I don't know that it happens, in the session. This is just too damn slow for me. But it's coming down to $72.65, $72.60, that area. ES back up, doesn't want it. ES support is 45, resistance is 60. I'll move through 60 and this is going to blow. Copper got target 1. I'll move through 60 and SPX or ES is going to go. $52. SPX 3960s are 940. What you think, Deepak? We're going to 58 on the SPX. Ed, I have no idea, man. As a trader, I react to price. Not. Remember what I said at the onset of this today. I said a couple of things. The first thing I said was, after the big move yesterday, we will more than likely see chop today, right? Which we have. The other, the markets don't trend every single day. The other thing is, I said, the 240 minutes were grossly oversold. I would not be surprised to see a bounce. So we've gone from oversold. The ES, look at the ES. ES was a perfect trade off its 200 period on the 240 minute, right? That was the great long, 39.15-ish. That was yesterday, that was the 10 o'clock candle that closed. And here's where we are now. We'll probably trade up to 63 on the 4 hours. We've put in a slightly higher high. So this candle that closes at 2 o'clock will probably get 63. If we can get above, we could trade as high as maybe 77 today. Okay. I don't know that it does. I mean, again, we were just massively oversold yesterday. Massively. I just need one more damn trade on the NASDAQ on the bot and it'll be flat. It's still a green day. I mean, they've got Europe all discombobulated and US shorts, longs. It was an unattractive trade, to say the least. Copper is still sitting in this breakout up $50. Natural gas is doing absolutely nothing. ES, I've got to sell the close on. So if it gets a small reversal, gold, same thing, sell the close. So the breakout indicator is down $820 today. I don't know how much of that was NASDAQ, which I told you guys yesterday. I've never been able to find settings on the NASDAQ on the breakout that worked consistently. I think the ES is good with, for the one handle. Gold, if it rolls over again, if we come break below VWAP, gold can go a mile. Yes, I have a short, sell the close pending. Put the sell the close on, guys. We're at 832.50 down. NASDAQ, just horrible. All right, NASDAQ took a long on the bot. Doesn't look like it's going to get a target. I don't think this can get a target. 67. If it gets up through 70, it'll get both targets. Come on, this is big, NASDAQ. This is going to be the make or break on NASDAQ at 1057. If it gets target, it's still going to finish down, but it would be maybe five. It would still be down about $100, $150 if it gets both targets. Come on, 11 o'clock. Let's go. Spike it. Come on, dish rag. Delta's negative 22.98. That can't be right. Let me reload script. 991. This is the last trade of the bots, guys. 11 o'clock coming in 40 seconds. Nothing else will take a trade. Who wants a scotch? Look at this slop, man. All right. Got them both. A fireball. Okay, Buffalo Trace. There you go. Someone's got good taste. All right, guys, they're done trading. Let's go over bot totals. NASDAQ finished down 125. ES finished up 487.50. Nothing on crude because I don't trade it. I don't trade it on inventory days. Natural gas up 980. Always leading the way, NG. Always leading the way. And YM up 380. So the bots were up today nicely, with the exception of NASDAQ, which was down a smidge. I'm not sure what a smidge is, but that's what it was, down a smidge. I can live with that. And we have a gold breakout short. Let's see here. So 89.9 is VWAP. Let's see if we can't get all the way down below VWAP. ES I've got set for a short, a couple ticks lower, and it will fire a short. There goes gold. A break of VWAP and gold goes a long way. Oh no, wait, what the hell is this? Copper. Oh, that's going to be too damn slow. It may go, but I do have ES short. If gold breaks VWAP, this could get brutal. ES now pushing 60. If we get above 60, guys, this could go 75 in a hurry. ES. Anybody have any questions? So for those of you guys that are here on trial, Monday and Tuesday, the breakout indicator was up 1850 on Monday. I traded it for less than an hour. Yesterday it was up 29, something like that, 2,900. And today it'll be down slightly. I show the good, the bad, and the sometimes ugly, but you see it. If we get through these swings, it's gold. I will not be trading, for those of you guys that have the breakout, I will not be trading NASDAQ on the breakout again. I've tried it in the past, many, many different settings. I just can't find anything that works. And again, if this comes down below VWAP, this will take it here, the breakout indicator down about $300 if we get target here. I have no idea how much of that was the NASDAQ. So we held VWAP again on gold. And this was 89, 3 ticks from that target there. So my mistake was I should have taken first target, obviously, at the swing, which I didn't do. But if gold breaks below VWAP, it's going to get hit hard. So this is either going to be basically a break-even trade, what was up $500. I do have the ES looks like it's going to bounce and take this trade out. It did. From 500 and change to 1 tick. And I still think it comes down. So what I'm going to do to try to catch that move again is go first bar and sell the close. So the first red bar, if we get a reversal, a red bar, this will short again. That's what first bar is. It's the first bar after either a yellow or a blue bar because I'm selling. If I wanted to do a first bar close on a buy, what I would need is a yellow and then another blue bar, and it would buy the first bar. White House will increase natural gas exports to the United Kingdom. How much did that damn thing miss entry by? Let me look at natural gas. Oh my God. 5 ticks. Missed entry by 5 ticks. What a farce, man. My entry was sitting at 465 and it came to 470. Oh well. C'est la vie. All right, ES. Let's see if this thing can get 4 ticks. All right, gold shorted again. All right, there's 4 ticks. And here's gold again. Let me get this off first bar. So ES got first target again, 4 ticks. Yeah, but I don't have an afternoon session anymore, Albert. So, I'm done whenever I close the room. And then I'm just trading on my own. Well, I'll start it again in January. I just took December off. Gives me an opportunity to get my Christmas shopping done, spend more time with my wife. Do some fishing. Yeah, we'll do FOMC, maybe. Oh, that's terrible. We'll probably do FOMC. We know we're going to get fireworks on FOMC. This ES bot seems to be working. I have not tried Fiddler Bourbon. No. My favorite is Blanton's. I like Buffalo Trace with certainty. Were it not for the NASDAQ bot, which again, I've said, I've never been able to find consistent settings for NASDAQ. The breakout indicator would have been green again today. Just at these prices here, it's pretty close to that now. I know damn well that NASDAQ bot lost at least 600-700. 45 would be my target. I don't think we break 45. I think that's a good spot to try along. Nice runner here, fellas. Man, if I can get this thing to 45, what? And gold to come down to this first target. Copper is also almost that first target. Listen, if I would have closed that first gold trade out at $500, this would be well green. All right, down $400. Man, crude, holy Nikes, what a sell-off. Anybody remember where I said crude could come? Anybody? 72.50, it hit it. Anybody short crude? All right, we got target 1 on copper, breaking down nicely. That puts us down $90. $90. If gold would just damn break down below VWAP, this will be a rip. Well, we got to 45. Now we're wedged between 45 and 60, basically on ES. Come on, gold. Hey, Gary. Come on, break down. One candle close here. Crude still getting massacred. Missed this by 1 tick. All right, up 270. Up 482.50. Traded out of a hole, guys. Most of it was inflicted by the NASDAQ, which, nice job, Gary. Anybody have any questions, guys? I'll be on Skype this afternoon. If anybody needs me, please feel free to call or email me. Tomorrow will probably be rather sloppy as well. Remember, on Friday we have PPI. Next week, Tuesday, CPI. And then, of course, Wednesday, we get stuck with FOMC. All right? We bounce basically off 45, 3.5, 4 handles quick. A move above 60 will be, I think you're going to see a quick move to 75 on the ES. Guys,